Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to answer IELTS Speaking Part 1 questions about geography with Band 7 sample answers. If you want to speak more naturally and get a higher score, this video is for you. Speaking Part 1 usually lasts about 4 to 5 minutes. The examiner will ask you simple questions about daily life topics, such as hobbies, work, or free time. Your goal is to answer clearly, naturally, and confidently. Geography.
1. How do you feel about geography?
Band 6.0. I feel interested in geography because it helps me understand the world better. I like learning about different countries and landscapes.
Band 7.0.
I feel quite interested in geography because it helps me understand the world better. For example, learning about different countries, climates, and landscapes makes me curious about traveling. However, I sometimes find physical geography a bit difficult, like remembering all the mountains or rivers. Overall, I think geography is useful and exciting.
2. Do you think learning geographic knowledge is useful for you?
Band 6.0. Yes, I think geographic knowledge is very useful for me. It helps me understand how the world works and is helpful when I travel.
Band 7.0.
Yes, I think learning geographic knowledge is very useful for me. It helps me understand how the world is connected, like how climate affects people's lives or why certain countries trade with each other. It's also helpful when I travel because I can appreciate the culture and landscape better. So I think geography is not only practical but also interesting.
3. Have you ever studied geography at school?
Band 6.0. Yes, I studied geography at school. I learned about maps, climates, and different countries.
Band 7.0.
Yes, I studied geography when I was in secondary school and high school. I remember learning about maps, climates, and natural resources. At first, I thought it was difficult because there were so many details to memorize. But later I found it interesting, especially when we learned about different countries. It gave me a better understanding of the world.
4. Are you good at reading maps?
Band 6.0. I think I'm quite good at reading maps. I usually use Google Maps when I travel.
Band 7.0.
I think I'm fairly good at reading maps. When I travel, I often use Google Maps to find directions, and I can usually understand the routes quite easily. However, I'm not very confident with traditional paper maps because they sometimes confuse me. Overall, I'd say I'm better with digital maps than printed ones. A collection of Band 7 phrases you should memorize applicable to many IELTS Speaking Part 1 questions. That's how you can answer IELTS Speaking Part 1 questions about geography with Band 7 answers. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more IELTS speaking lessons. See you in the next video.